Latest news on using solar power as an alternate energy source. Researchers estimate that installing floating solar photovoltaics on the more than 24,000 human-made U.S. reservoirs could generate about 10% of the nation's annual electricity production. While the United States was the first to demonstrate floating PV panels, with the first installation occurring 10 years ago on pontoons on an irrigation pond in Napa Valley, California, the idea has not received widespread national acceptance. The U.S. focus has primarily been on installing large-scale, ground-mounted solar panels, and only had 7 floating PV sites as of December 2017. While solar energy is a popular, cost-effective, sustainable source of energy that can be deployed at large, utility-scale projects as well as on individual rooftops, deployment of rooftop solar has been uneven. Researchers combined data from Google's Project Sunroof on existing rooftop solar installations across the United States with demographic data, including household income, home ownership, and ethnicity and race, from the U.S. Census Bureau's American Community Survey. To read the full article, please visit the links in the description.